How to turn off bedtime reminders on your iPhone. So if you're someone who set a reminder on your phone of when you want to try and go to sleep every day, but you want to turn this off, it's very simple to do. So you want to go to the health app on your iPhone. So go ahead and find your health app. And what you want to do is go ahead and click on your sleep score. And from here, you just want to find sleep. This is going to bring you to a bunch of different types of settings and stuff like that. But this is going to show you your actual schedule of the sleep times that you set. So if you look here and you find full schedule and options, what you want to do is go ahead and click that. And as you see, mine is set to a certain time to go to bed and to wake up. What you want to do to turn this off is go ahead and check off or toggle off sleep reminders. So we can toggle this off, and from here it will not remind you 15 minutes before that you have to start to wind down and go to sleep and all those things that come with the health app and all that stuff. It's very easy to turn this on and off. So that's it. It's very simple to do, very easy, and I hope this helped, and we'll see you next time.